So, massive update from Instagram.
Google is now indexing Instagram photos and videos, so posts appear on Google search results. This has major SEO implications: more eyes, wider reach, bigger audience. Here's what you need to do to take advantage of this change. 1. Allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. Go to Settings, Account Privacy, and make sure to toggle on Allow public photos and videos to appear in search engine results. 2. Look up questions people are asking in your space. Google prioritizes helpful content, so make sure you're adding value to your audience. 3. Say your SEO keywords in your video, because Google can actually index the audio. 4. Write SEO-friendly captions to answer Google searches. Keep it short, 7 words or less, then add a longer description to add context. 5. As always, make sure you're creating content that's worth a share or save. And with that, share this video with a friend or save this step-by-step for later.